Not all beautiful homes are also livable homes, but today we invite you to tour a stunning residence in Nashville that successfully marries dramatic design with unparalleled comfort. Spanning over 6,700 square feet and listed at $3.6 million, this custom home is a masterpiece that will not only impress visitors, but also make them feel right at home. This is 9242 Lehigh Drive. We're in Brentwood's coveted Witherspoon neighborhood, only a 20-minute drive from Nashville's bustling downtown. Witherspoon is one of the most desired neighborhoods in the region, boasting stunning homes, vast green spaces, and extensive bike and walking trails. This home beautifully marries classic colonial-style architecture with modern touches. The soft white brick, enchanting planters, and delicate lattice work that creates an aesthetic that is both sophisticated and welcoming. The elevated entry porch offers a glimpse of the breathtaking hillside views that await. Step through blonde double entry doors into a light-filled foyer with soaring 16-foot ceilings. A gracefully curved stairway fades gently out of view. Dual sitting areas allow you to entertain as many guests as you like, with midnight paneled millwork, a dramatic gold raindrop chandelier, and twin white mantle fireplaces. Looking for a more traditional setup for a formal dining room and private home office? Infinitely flexible, this space effortlessly transforms to whatever your life demands. Enter the light-filled hallway into this cozy living space which exudes Southern elegance. Featuring subtle white-paneled walls, built-in shelving, a black-framed fireplace, and charming woven chandelier. This inviting space begs to be the heart of laughter-filled afternoons and cozy popcorn-filled movie nights. This kitchen is the heart of the home. Designed to cater to busy family meals or elegant soirees, you'll find everything you need, including a stately 60-inch Wolf gas range with double ovens and a pot filler that takes center stage. The plaster-encased hood rises impressively to the ceiling, while the marble-tiled herringbone-style backsplash extends elegantly around the kitchen, creating a sophisticated look. The smoked antique glass front cabinets add to the aesthetic appeal. Repeating elements of thick oak wood and black stone unite the living space, butler's pantry, and wet bar. The result, a completely seamless design. The 150-bottle temperature-controlled wine cellar and integrated ice maker ensure your guests are always well attended to. Whether it's a big family dinner or a gathering of friends, you have plenty of space with both indoor and outdoor dining options. Glass sliding doors wrap the porch, creating a seamless transition. The high ceilings amplify the airy outdoor atmosphere, creating the perfect setting to enjoy the game, stare at a crackling fire, or enjoy your beautiful tree-lined view and resort pool below. You can even start your mornings right here with a private entrance to your primary suite. Soaring ceilings flood the room with natural light. You'll notice they are detailed in a warm wood set in a subtle herringbone pattern, creating the perfect blend of drama and warmth. Double doors open dramatically into an impeccably designed primary bath. His and hers areas are integrated beautifully into one unified space. Featuring two expansive walk-in closets, individual water closets, and elegant vanities, one with striking globe pendants and a gracious dressing table. The two spaces are joined with glass entry doors on both sides of the herringbone tiled shower. A grand freestanding tub provides ultimate relaxation and completes the space. Pamper children, teens, and guests with infinite bedroom options, each with luxuriously appointed ensuite baths. Offer easy access to visiting family here at the ground floor guest suite. On the far side of the living space, this private stairway offers an independent second floor suite currently used as a music room. With a separate entrance, beautifully designed full bathroom, and walk-in closet, this section of the home can be easily converted to a comfortable teen or nanny suite, whatever you may need. 3 more gracious guest rooms on the second level provide private sleeping quarters, each more charming than the next. If you're looking for a more festive atmosphere for sleepovers and family gatherings, let the little ones pile into their own cozy bunk in the spacious bunk room. This luxurious retreat strikes an ideal harmony between lively social gatherings and quiet family time. Whether hosting lavish celebrations or hosting cozy moments at home, this estate is an invitation to live life beautifully. We are so grateful to listing agent Josh Finks of Parks Realty and the generosity of the homeowners who allowed us to share the stunning features of their one-of-a-kind residence. Join us each month on a tour through Nashville's most breathtaking estates. From stunning architecture to expansive grounds, you won't want to miss a thing. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all the latest estate tours. Till then,